Hey everyone, in this video we are going to be going over some of our settings here. So from your dashboard, just go down to the bottom left and go to Settings. Go to General. Now here's where you can add your store name, your email addresses, and then of course you can put in your support email address here. So support at grandmaliving.com. And then your account email, legal business name, phone number, address, and then of course you can put in your pound systems, right? Your unit system, your weights. You can put in your time zone. So I'll just go with Pacific time. Nice and easy. You can change your currency. You just have to do that in your payment settings. So hit save. We'll go back. You can go in and add all your taxes. So if you want to add taxes, you can do that here. You can set up all your taxes, tax rates, if you're going to be charging tax depending on the state you're in. Here you can go over all your account information, permissions, all your staff people you can add here. If you're going to have virtual assistants, you can do that here. The next thing, payment providers. So you can enable like PayPal and Google Pay and all these different types of payment methods. So you can go in and add BitPay, GoCoin, like all this kind of stuff. You can add manual payments like bank deposit, cash on delivery, money orders, all this kind of stuff. PayPal, like I said, you can create all your stuff here. So one thing you're gonna have to do is go in and complete this. Make sure this is all good. What your customer billing statement's gonna look like, right? How this is gonna look. SP Grandma Living. Add in all your banking information. So if you're going to be charging US dollars, make sure you put in all your banking information here for your US funds account or your US account. The next thing we want to do is go back to settings. Notifications, you can set up all your notifications, so order confirmation, canceled, refund, all this stuff, your shipping, all of this stuff. So, oops. So yeah, you can add absolutely everything. So, all your emails that you're going to send to customers, so when it ships, updates, delivered, all this kind of stuff. Notification emails, all this stuff is right in there. Billing. So this is just going to be where they bill you, what credit card you're going to be using. Checkout, you can customize your checkout. We might do this in another video here. All this stuff. We'll actually go through this on another video, so make sure this is all perfect. I will see you on the next video, and we'll go over some of these checkout settings.